Hi, I'm Andy, Senior Sales Associate here at Vive, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about our rollator walker. This Euro-style rollator has a modern look to it, very stylish. It comes with a detachable bag right up front here. You can easily remove it like so. It has a nice cane holder on the side for your convenience with a Velcro strap to secure your cane. It also has a soft backrest. It's going to hold up to 300 pounds. It does have these dual locking brakes to keep it secure. This is going to be the most compact and best travel rollator on the market. Reason being is not only does it fold at the seat like so, your back wheels, of course, they're gonna pop right up at the push of the pin. Super easy. Then on top of that, the front wheels, you can fold them up to fit in your luggage or fit in the back of the trunk by just taking out these star bolts. And just like that, this thing only weighs 19 pounds, so you can easily travel with it and just throw it on the overbend.